In this video, I will demonstrate how to define cutters and holders using a 2D sketch. Please note that cutters or components created as 2D sketches can only be defined when CAM project is closed and within the CAD environment. This directly means that defining those components as 2D sketch is impossible to be done in the offline version of the toolkit. So I'm going to close my project and I'm going to create a new cutter inside the toolkit, and I will, in this case, use just tool assemblies. I can open existing assembly and do it. And in this case, I just choose a new one. So I'll just drag and drop the end wheel. Instead of parametric data, I will use a sketch 2D. And now, because we are in CAD environment still, but CAM project is closed, we can find an icon here at the bottom that allows us to define shape imported as a 2D sketch. So I'm going to click over here. I'll click OK. And over here, we'll get an interface where we have a sketch here, a coordinate system, and interface that allows us to define a reference point and the chain of our cutter. I'm going to hit on the sketch and hit edit. I can delete all of these or just edit them. I think this will be just fine. I'll continue drawing my tool. I'll close it and just put some drawing. Please, I'll put some dimensions. Please note that the same steps can be completely skipped. As you can also, if you have 2D drawing or 2D sketch already prepared, you can copy that in within the SolidWorks and just paste it in this environment over here to skip the process that I'm doing right now. I'm just going to make a main drawing here. This is actually all fine. Let's make this 12. Let me zoom in here. All right. And let's keep these on 4. This will be 4mm chamfer. This will be also 4. And diameter for this, I'm going to pick on, let's say 30. While this diameter over here will be, let's say 10. When I'm happy with my drawing, I can go and define my chain, where I can define this chain as a single curve, or I can also use some of the constant Z options. But my first chain will always be, let me just turn off my sketch. Let's go again. Of drawing, I will just click on this. Let me just click on all filters. I'm going to click the very first is on the bottom one here. And I'm going to use constant Z and just click on this last component, this entity button. I'm going to go all the way around and finish it here. I'd like to accept it. And my reference point will be the one here at the top of the tool. So I'll just pick the point, select the point there, and I just accept it. And click finish. SolidCAM will automatically pick all these geometries and define proper cutter. Let me go to my parameters. We can see a proper diameter has been defined. Radius of the cutting point is there. What we can adjust is the cutting length. I will just put on 12. Once defined, this cutter can be used in your project.